All right. Welcome to Frank's Crypto Corner, where we bring you all kinds of news and information about cryptocurrency. Things like mining the coin, staking the coin, using that credit card for BlockFi credit cards to get rewards back in Bitcoin, Splash Network, Drip Garden, Drip Network, all kinds of different passive income with cryptocurrency. Well, today we're going to be talking about Shiba Inu. Coin is up right this second. Could be a great time to be looking at this coin. Go to their website, go to their Twitter, and Can Shiba Inu this year, 2022, by the year 2023, have over 1,000 businesses accepting the Shiba Inu? Different businesses like real estate and restaurants and food and stuff. 1,000 businesses for Shiba Inu. Will it happen? That could be a big thing on the price going up. We're going to talk about that. Also, there's a launch, pre-launch going on today, Piston token. We're going to cover Piston token a little bit today. It's happening today. There's another one happening tomorrow. And then the real launch is next month and stuff. We're going to go to Piston token. And then also TaskRabbit. There's all kinds of different things with gasoline being so high and the food prices being so high that you have to have either crypto projects, side hustles, some kind of something to help you, and TaskRabbit could be that answer. All right, everybody, don't forget to hit the like button, subscribe to the channel, hit the bell icon so you don't miss out on any up-and-coming videos. Or go on this channel to help everybody learn about cryptocurrency, understand about cryptocurrency, and one day even own some cryptocurrency. Piston token could be a great thing today. All right, everybody, let's head over to Shiba Inu. All right, over here at CoinMarketCap, Shiba Inu is at number 15. Look at this. It's up 13.5%. Ding, ding, ding. Great job, Shiba Army. It's up 13.5% in the last 7 days. In the last 24 hours, almost 5%. Clicking it. Here we go. There's 1, 2, 3, 4 zeros in the 2586. We'll come back to a price prediction when we're done. All right, so in the last 24 hours, it's bouncing up a little bit. Take a look at that right here. Looking nice. But in the last 7 days, it's looking super strong. Shiba Inu going up and off the charts going on right this second. All right, what about this? Can Shiba Inu see 1,000 businesses accept SHIB before 2023? Take a look at the SHIB right here in the candy store. All right, so what is this going to tell us here? Shiba Inu has been a great year so far in 2022 and has several small businesses opening their doors to the SHIB payments. Many business owners have realized the potential of the Shiba Inu and the sheer numbers of the fans, collectively called the SHIB Army. Shiba Inu Army, let's go get it. Woo! Cannot be ignored. The SHIB Army is a collective force capable of a mass crowd movement when called upon. This makes it an extremely desirable force for businesses. All right, here's a good example. Look at this. $4.99 down. Explore your inventory. Apply for finance. Get directions. And it says pay with your cryptocurrency Shiba Inu ecosystem. And then they got the cards and stuff like that. That's what I'm talking about. Cryptocurrencies are increasingly being accepted by businesses more than ever before. This number is growing every day. No business wants to be left out of the crypto market expansion. Shiba Inu to see mass adoption via incremental acceptance. There are currently over 112 businesses listed in the Shiba Inu business directory. Real estate firms, restaurants, food delivery services, electronics, gaming, pet supply, beauty salons. A variety of businesses are now accepting SHIB as a form of payment. Users can view the complete list of all the companies that accept Shiba Inu tokens businesses directly right on the website. Shiba Inu has almost attained a lifestyle brand position. Businesses are in no condition to miss out on the opportunity of tapping into the Shiba Inu space. There's a lot of potential for the growth, not only for businesses, but for the token as well. Right here, we got AMC talking about accepting the SHIB. Everybody wants to accept the SHIB. Get it, go it. Shiba Inu, the number of small business ventures are now accepting the SHIB as a form of payment, has increased on a daily basis, and the Shiba Inu popularity develops. Will Shiba Inu exceed over 1,000 businesses this year? Well, this might happen more sooner than later, since it appears to be a no rush in corporate world to embrace all the top 20 cryptocurrencies before the end of the year. Apart from businesses accepting SHIB, the coin has seen multiple collaborations, such as partnerships with fashion designers. John Richmond has recently unveiled his very first Shiba Inu non-fungible NFT. This is part of the 10,000 SHIB-themed NFTs that will be displayed in the main fashion week of 2022. All right, look at the little Shiba Inu. All right, so give us your thoughts. 1,000 companies, will it happen? If that happens, will this price go up? Will it stay where it's at? I don't know. We will see. All I know is more and more people are actually liking the Shiba Inu. We were actually driving on the freeway, and we actually saw a truck that had the Shiba Inu on the actual side of the truck, on the back of the truck. Thought it was pretty cool. Saw it in real life in the car and stuff. Drove by too fast. I didn't get the pictures and stuff. All right. Don't forget to hit the like button. Subscribe to the channel. Hit the bell icon so you don't miss out on any up-and-coming videos. All right, so we're going to talk about Piston Token launching today. All right, let's check this out. This is a pre-launch today. All right, over here at piston.token.com. Invest in Piston Token, a Binance Smart Chain BSC token built on the best-in-class decentralized technology. Pistons was designed to run an ecosystem, earn rewards by depositing your tokens in the Piston Race dashboard app. All right, so right here is where we're at, March 28th. There's actually a pre-sale, get 15% off today. Checking that out. Tokens of the race, Piston tokens, a token to race in the ecosystem, fully tradable and available to everyone. 10% tax on the buying exchanges only. Talks about your different fees, the roadmaps, so you can understand the following. Right here is where we're at. It's going around. This is going to be kind of like a drip garden, a 1% thing. Get your initial deposit back, and you're going to hydrate and all kinds of other things. All right, everybody. Kind of wanted to share that with you. A little Piston token going off today. Check that out. I'll leave the actual website here in the description in the bottom. Now remember, do all your own research. All our information is for educational purposes only. Drip Garden, Drip Network. We're in a couple different things. Some of them are doing good. Some of them are going sideways. Some of them are going down. Piston token, I just wanted to let everybody be aware of it. Go check it out. Research it. Look at it. Keep an eye on it. Maybe it's something for you. Maybe it's something not for you. All right, with all the different gas prices and the food prices and everything being up so much, what are people to do? Some people are going to DoorDash. Some people are going to Uber. Well, there's a thing called TaskRabbit. And TaskRabbit is you can do different tasks and make different side hustles and side money. I was reading an article a week or so ago. College person was making about $130 a day, doing it part-time, and got out of college. And before he got into his career, went full-time in the TaskRabbit. Boom, started making $10,000 to $14,000 a month doing the TaskRabbit. Want to bring this to the channel because, again, as the gas prices are high, if food prices are high, crypto's going sideways, sometimes down. What can you do? Let's go ahead and check this out together. TaskRabbit. All right, over here, TaskRabbit, your house deserves better. It says popular projects in your area. And look, this is kind of showing you what the average projects are. Assemble a tabletop or a desk. Average project, $52 to $125. Mount a TV or mirror. Average project, $58 to $116. Move boxes via truck. Get $59 to $135. Fix a running toilet. $62 to $135. Office/home delivery. $22 to $60. Lift furniture upstairs. $49 to $104. How about this one, everybody? Plant flowers. $55 to $141. That could be like aromatherapy. Are you really working, getting paid $141 to plant some flowers? I mean, some people would actually do that just to have the funness. Clean bathroom kitchen, $63 to $150. All right, so we're just diving into this a little bit. Everyday life made easy. When life gets busy, you don't have to tackle it alone. Get some time back. What you'll love is without breaking the bank. And choose your tasker by reviews, skills, and prices. Schedule when it works for you, earlier as to today. Chat, pay, tip, and review all through one platform. Here's Joanne. She's been a tasker since 2015, doing the different tasks. Featured taskers, help moving, makes around $41 an hour. Home repairs, making around $37 an hour. Furniture assemblies, this person's making around $35 an hour. That's Jeffrey here. Andrew over to the right, on his delivery, he's averaging about $41 an hour. Moving, he's averaging about $82 an hour. Home repairs, he's averaging around $70 an hour. A go to the team at the fingertips. Build your team, a local background checks, taskers to help, and with life whenever you need. So again, if you're hiring taskers, everything's on here. So I just want to share this with you. Look, here's a map. Kansas City, Chicago, Hawaii. Hey, I was just in Hawaii. I could click Hawaii right here. We can get started, how it works. Describe your task, choose your tasker, get it all done. Produce gardening. Let's do this. Book it now. I mean, there's all kinds of different things. Hello, Honolulu. So, point is, TaskRabbit could be the place where you need to actually go to make that little side hustle. Houston here. You click Houston, and look, hello, Houston. So, again, I read this a couple weeks ago. College person making $130 a day on the side, and he was installing TV sets and monitoring mirrors and stuff, and making pretty good money, and turned it into a full-time $10,000 to $14,000 gig. Again, these are things that just kind of combat the gas prices and the big food prices and the crypto going down and this and that. Don't forget to hit the like button, subscribe to the channel, hit that bell icon so you don't miss out on any up-and-coming videos. Let's head over back to Shiba Inu for a price prediction and to check out the SHIB a little bit. Over here at the Shiba Inu website, a decentralized meme token that can evolve into a vibrant ecosystem. SHIB Leash Bones, Shiba Swap, innovative reward system, all kinds of good stuff here on the website. How to buy it, our project and our ecosystem, the SHIB, the leash, the bone, all kinds of nice stuff. How to buy it. Tells you how to buy the leash, buy the bone, buy the SHIB, get started, get a MetaMask, send your ETH wallet, connect your wallet. Most people are here's your Shiba Swap. All right, just the other day was National Puppy Day, one of the most universal symbols of happiness, cheer, and positively are puppies. And March 23rd is National Puppy Day. National Puppy Day with the SHIB. Again, anybody who has puppies and loves puppies is going to love this day. All right, so what's our price prediction here? There's 4 zeros and a 2582. Do your own homework. Do your own research. All information is for educational purposes only. But I'm going to go with 4 zeros and a 2982. I think it's going to jump a little bit more. Make sure you do your own homework. But a lot of good things are going on with the SHIB, everybody. Again, in the top 15. I like seeing it. It's up 13% in the last 7 days. A lot of things are up right this second. Up 5% in the last 24 hours. Fantastic SHIB. All right, Piston token going off today with the pre-sale. TaskRabbit, maybe side hustles, make a little bit of extra. That Piston is like a little side cryptocurrency project that you can actually look into. Check that out and stuff. And then Shiba Inu, can you get over 1,000 different companies accepting the SHIB this year by 2023? I don't know. Don't forget to hit the like button, subscribe to the channel. Click right here to see our most recent video. And click over here to learn about Splassive. Get 2% a day. What's it, 360% for 180 days. All kinds of good stuff. All right, everybody. Have a great day, and we'll see you a little bit later.